Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for the Smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the Smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the Smartband, your Smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the FITBIT application to send the notifications to our Smartband. So let's open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our Smartband. And after the application opens, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the account icon in the top left corner to open the account page. And on this page, you should see your Inspire 2 right here on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. And now find the option called Notifications and select it by tapping on it. As you can see, here we have a warning that for the notifications to work, we need to enable the notification access or notification service. So let's tap on Enable Notification Service. It's gonna redirect us to the notification access menu or device and app notifications on the newer Androids. Now scroll down, find the FITBIT application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once it's allowed, you will be redirected to the app again, and here we can enable or disable the notifications. And as you can see, to get the call notifications on the band, we need to allow more permissions. So you can tap right here, and as you can see, we can scroll down and basically allow the required permissions by tapping on the box and tapping on allow, like this. So allow the required permissions if you want to receive the notifications about calls, and then you can enable or disable it according to your liking. Then you can tap on text messages, and here you can enable or disable the notifications for the text messages. You can also select the preferred app for the messages. Then we have the calendar events. Again, you can enable or disable them. Select the app. Then we have the emails, and again you can enable or disable the notifications or select the app. And at the bottom, or rather below the emails, we have app notifications, and here we can enable or disable the notifications for specific applications on your phone. So you can scroll through the list and enable the notifications by tapping on the box next to the app to check it, or uncheck it to disable the notifications. So I'm gonna enable the notifications for Discord because I'm gonna use it to show you if it works. So I'm gonna enable the notifications for Discord, but you can enable them for anything you want according to your liking. And once you're done with the app notifications, you can also scroll down right here and you have a couple more options. You have vibration settings, and you can enable the option to always vibrate. Basically, it will ignore do not disturb mode or silent mode on your Smartband. So if you enable this option and you have silent mode or do not disturb mode enabled, it's gonna vibrate anyway. Next we have the enable transliteration, and you can enable this by tapping on the switch. And then we have the require encryption, but this option is grayed out and we can't use it. Also, if you want to turn off the notifications as the whole thing, you can tap on the more options icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu, and you have the options disable notifications, and you can disable them by tapping on it. But I'm just gonna tap on it again, or rather tap on the notifications to enable them all, like that. So let's enable them all, like this. Discord, okay. And once you enable the notifications and you're done basically customizing your settings, you can also tap on the menu icon right here and tap on send a test call notifications or notification to see if it's working. So if you tap on test notification, as you can see, it's working. We can wake up the screen on our Smartband. As you can see, we have the test call. You can also check if the app notifications work. So I'm gonna send myself message on Discord. As you can see, we got the message on our phone and also on our Smartband. If you miss the notifications on your Smartband, you can wake up the screen on it by pressing the touch sensitive buttons, and then you can swipe, I believe, up on the screen, no, down on the screen, and you will see the notifications option. You can tap on it to open the basically notifications menu, and here you have the list of notifications. And you can tap on them to read them, you can clear them, and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can press the side buttons or touch sensitive buttons again to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this Smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.